Welcome to this quick guide on creating a custom call flow in Exotel. Once the platform loads, we go to the App Bazaar, find the Installed Apps section, and click Create to add a new flow. We give the flow a clear name and confirm it. Next, we select the pass-through applet, set the URL, make sure it matches the one used in the demo, and choose Hang Up for the If the URL returns anything else option. In the In Response section, we select the VoiceBot applet. If the VoiceBot applet is not visible, we complete our KYC and ask Exotel to enable this feature before we continue. Once our KYC is complete and Exotel enables the VoiceBot applet feature, we set the URL. If we want to record calls, we select the recording checkbox. Next, we add a pass-through applet inside the VoiceBot and set its URL. If we want to transfer the call to a human, we add a connect applet inside the 200 OK response and set its URL. Finally, we save the flow and copy the app ID.